Hi friends, welcome back to Team Education. Friends, in this video we are solving problem on functions of several variables. Given problem is if x square by a square plus u plus y square by b square plus u plus z square by c square plus u is equal to 1. So that dou u by dou x whole square plus dou u by dou y whole square plus dou u by dou z whole square is equal to 2 times of x into dou u by dou x plus y into dou u by dou y plus z into dou u by dou z. Okay, now here you observe friends, they are given one hint. This is equal to 1. From this what you can conclude? There is x, y, z variables are there and a, b, c are constant. Here u is there. What is u here? U is a function of x, y, z. If u is a function of x, y, z, nothing but here u is having more than one independent variable. So you can differentiate u partially with respect to x, y and z. That is the reason only they are given here dou u by dou x whole square, dou u by dou y whole square, dou u by dou z whole square. So when it is possible if u is a function of 3 independent variables. Now friends, you see we have to prove this. First you can consider this is LHS part and this is RHS part. In this problem we are proving LHS is equal to RHS, means we will find this value. Suppose this value is 10, right side value also you have to get 10, then you can say this is equivalent to RHS. Okay, now before solving I'm taking for the convenient to solve this problem, this dou u by dou x whole square, dou u by dou y whole square, dou u by dou z whole square as summation of dou u by dou x whole square. Friends, you know summation x, if the function is having 3 independent variables, then you can write this is x plus y plus z. Yes or no? Similarly, summation dou u by dou x whole square, you can write dou u by dou x whole square plus dou u by dou y whole square plus dou u by dou z whole square. Okay, now next, because you no need to simplify dou u by dou y and dou u by dou z separately, because the given problem is x square by a square plus u plus y square by b square plus u z square by c square plus u is equal to 1 is in a proper order, series order. Okay, next what about the RHS part? You have 2 times of x into dou u by dou x, x into dou u by dou x plus y into dou u by dou y plus z into dou u by dou z. That is the reason I have written summation. If you split summation, then you will have this term only. Okay, now given problem I am considering as a equation 1. Then we have to differentiate equation 1 partial with respect to x, y, z. Now differentiate this equation 1 partially with respect to x. Okay friends, here you observe equation 1 is containing sum of 3 terms and the first term is containing both the numerator and denominator. So we can do u by v rule, or else you can consider this is in the form of x square into 1 by a square plus u. Here it is a function of x. What about 1 by a square plus u? This is also a function of x because u is a function of x, y, z. So you can apply uv rule, or else you can do u by v rule. Now I am doing uv rule. So first term I am considering as a u, I am considering as a x square. So u into v dash. What is a v? 1 by a square plus u. What is 1 by bracket derivative? Minus 1 by a square plus u whole square. 1 by bracket derivative minus 1 by bracket square into bracket derivative with respect to x. Here a square is a constant, u derivative is dou u by dou x. You know that dou u by dou x symbolically we can write as a dou u by dou x as ux. Yes or no? Plus next term what you have? V. V is 1 by a square plus u into u dash. What is the x square derivative? 2x. Now first term we are done partially with respect to x. Now coming to the second term. The second term is containing numerator and denominator. But the numerator what we have? Y square. Y square is a constant while differentiating partially with respect to x. But this is the product of the term, product of y square and b square plus u. So you can say it is a function of x only because the denominator is containing u. U is a function of x and y, z. Yes or no? Now 1 by bracket derivative minus 1 by b square plus u whole square. 1 by bracket derivative minus 1 by bracket square into inner derivative with respect to x, that is ux. Okay, plus z square is also constant while differentiating partially with respect to x. Next 1 by c square plus u derivative minus 1 by c square plus u whole square into with respect to x. Differentiation with respect to x is dou u by dou x is equal to right side what you have 1. 1 is a constant. Constant derivative is 0. Now you observe friends, in this equation which terms you can take common? Minus is there. So minus I can take common. ux. So minus ux I can take common from these three terms. Then I will have x square by a square plus u whole square. Next, plus y square by b square plus u whole square plus z square by c square plus u whole square. Okay. Next, what is the remaining term? 2x by a square plus u. So I am writing here 2x by a square plus u, which is equivalent to 0. Okay, which is equal to 0. Now here you observe a minus b is equal to 0. So what I can write? A is equal to b. Right? Why we are writing? Because I require dou u by dou x term only. So I want to write the ux term. X square by a square plus u whole square plus y square by b square plus u whole square plus z square by c square plus u whole square is equal to 2x by a square plus u. Remember friends, this is series form. So you can write ux is equal to summation x square by a square plus u whole square. Okay, if you split this one, then you will have next term y square by b square plus u whole square. Next term z square by c square plus u whole square. Okay, now this is right side you have a 2x by a square plus u. Consider this as equation number 2. Here you observe right side part we don't have any summation, only left side here you have. From this equation 2 you can write ux. Okay, ux is equal to what you can write? Ux is equal to 2x by a square plus u whole divided by summation x square by a square plus u whole square. Similarly, we can find out uy. Can you guess what is uy? Uy is equal to, in place of x you write y, that's enough. In the numerator you will have 2y by, in place of a b, so b square plus u divided by, this is summations. Whenever summation is there you write in same thing. Okay, so if you written y square by b square plus u summation, if you split, then you will get same or not. So x square by a square plus u whole square. And tell me what about uz here? Uz is equal to 2z by c square plus u by summation x square by a square plus u whole square. Is it clear friends? Now what you record actually, LHS part is there, RHS part is there. RHS part is ux whole square plus uy whole square plus uz whole square. Okay, now we have to do squaring for ux, uy, uz, and we have to add these three. Okay friends, now I am doing ux whole square, then I will have 2x by a square plus u whole square. This is u friends. Okay, a square plus u whole square by summation x square by a square plus u, this is square you have, this is also whole square, plus 2y by b square plus u whole square divided by summation x square by a square plus u square again whole square. Next what we have, third term is uz whole square. This is uz whole square. Uz means 2z by c square plus u whole square divided by summation x square by a square plus u whole square again square. So friends, here you observe the denominator term is common. Yes or no? So if you take in denominator is common, then we will have summation x square by a square plus u whole square again whole square. Right. Next this one, from this what I can take common? 2 square, 2 square, 2 square. So you can take 2 square is a common. Then I will have 4 into x square by a square plus u whole square plus y square by b square plus u whole square plus z square by c square plus u whole square. Okay friends. Next This is LHS part. Now I want RHS part. RHS part we have x into ux plus y into uy plus z into uz. Okay. Now here you observe ux is containing 2x by u square plus u by summation of x square by a square plus u whole square. I want x into ux. So here if I multiplied x, then I will have 2x by a square plus u whole divided by summation. This is x. If I multiplied x into x, x square, summation x square by a square plus u, right, plus y into uy. So 2y square by a b square plus u divided by summation x square by a square plus u whole square, plus next z into 2z. So z into 2z means 2 into z square by c square plus u whole divided by summation x square by a square plus u whole square. So friends, you tell me which term is a common here. I can take the denominator is common. What is the denominator? Summation x square by a square plus u whole square is a common. And what about the remaining term? Here you have a 2, 2, 2. So if I taken 2 is a common, then I will have x square by a square plus u plus y square by b square plus u and z square by c square plus u. Here you observe, friends, this is LHS part. Yes or no? This is LHS. This is what? RHS. You observe, this is 2 times of x square by this term. Entire this term is here. Yes or no? Just what is the difference here? Here you have a 4. So can I write this 4 as a 2 into 2? Yes, we can write. So if you written 2 into 2, nothing but you take a bracket for this. So this bracket you can write as a x into ux plus y into uy plus z into uz. So you can say ux whole square plus uy whole square plus uz square is equal to 2 times of this term. Okay. Now I am writing from LHS and RHS. We can write x square into dou u by dou x plus y square into dou u by dou y plus z square into dou u by dou z, which is equal to 2 times of x into ux plus y into uy plus z into uz. Okay, hence proved. I think it is clear for everyone. Thank you for watching this video.